Good afternoon, everyone. So I will explain about the image and the if condition. So we will use the button and we will using the conditional code. So when we press the button, there will be a toggle the image. By the way, this topic is also will be used in the FYE. So please kindly try this code and listen this code, and please also try with your Swift playground. Okay, so first I will create a variable. So the variable that we will use is a private variable, so we can use a state variable. State. Okay, so I have a variable which is sun and moon, and I set the variable as a boolean. So the value of variable sun is false and the variable moon is also false. Why we need to use false? Because by default, yeah, the variable will become true if we press the button. So if the button is not pressed, the condition is false. Okay, after we decide the variable, now we put the text. So I will call text. Press the button and then you can put the modifier, font, the title, something like this. Okay, and then text again. So I will put the instruction: press the button to display or to go the the image. Okay, and then you can put the any modifier there, for example font. So I will set the font size as a sub headline, so it can become a smaller, and then I put the padding, so the space will be proportional. Okay, now after you put the component, which is the text, so after we put the text, we will put the condition. So we need to put if this is a conditional statement using a button. So we put the if here. If sun, so that you will see the variable will appear automatically. If sun, and then we put the code condition. What is the condition? So there will be we need to press the button so the sun can be toggle. So we put the output first, image. By the way, you can use the image from the gallery. So I use sun, and then you can use sun max circle. I will use sun max fill. Okay, so you can just choose from uh the gallery or the shapes here. We can put the modifier to resize the image. So the size you can set using 100, and the height is also 100. Okay, and then font dot large title. You can change the color using, because this is sun, I'll set the color to yellow. Dot painting. Okay, now we're done with the sun output. So this is the result if we press the button. Then next we will put the if moon, then we can call again using shapes. So you can just find the image moon circle fill. Okay, then you can put the same modifier resizable, then frame width is 100, and then the height is also 100. For ground color, because this is moon, so I will use dot gray, and then you can put padding. Okay, now we finish with if sun and if moon. Now we put the button, but the button we will put inside of the edge stack. Okay, we put the edge stack outside of the v stack. So after this bracket you can enter, and then we can create the edge stack. Okay, in this edge stack you can add the button to toggle the image. So button, and then of course you will need to put the button action. So action, okay, what is the action? So I will call sun dot toggle. Okay, and then we put the label, which is the text. So you can put the label here, text, and then this is sun. Okay, we can also add the modifier to motif the button style, font, and then I will use the headline, and you can put padding. For ground color, I will use white color. Okay, and then the background, color dot yellow. Okay, so now you can see the button, we need to make a curve for the button style, so you can put the corner radius. Corner radius, the number 10. Okay, now we done with the first button for sun. So if you press this, okay, you will see it will showing the sun. Okay, now we will try again for the moon. Actually, you can just copy paste from the button sun, or you can just create again. You can call button action, and then moon dot to go. Okay, and then we can put the label for the moon text moon. Okay, now font dot headline dot padding, and then the foreground color, I will also use white color. Okay, then the background color, I will use gray, same as the moon color. And then you put the corner radius set to 10. Okay, now you can see we are finished with the sun and moon. If you press the sun, you will see the sun. If you press the moon, you will see the moon. If you press the moon, it will appear the moon. If you press again, it will hide. So sun, moon, moon, sun. Okay, so please everyone, you may try this code, and if you have a question, please message me or WhatsApp me. Yeah, because this topic you will do in also in your FYE. Okay, we can review our code again. So first, the condition, if we don't press the button, variable sun and moon is false. This is will be true if we press the button. So if this is true, it will toggle the sun. Or if we press the moon button, it will become true and toggle the moon circle. Okay, so this is just the instruction. Press the button to toggle the image. And this is the if condition. If sun mean if that's true, it will appear image system, and then this is the modifier. Okay, and then you can put the button in the edge stack. So if the button is pressed, it will toggle the sun. We'll call the image in the if here. Okay, and then this is the label. Yeah, we can use for the button style, and for the moon is also same. If the moon is true, the condition is true, it will call the moon in the if, and then it will show the image system name moon circle dot fill. Okay, and the modifier is also same. Okay, thank you everyone. Good luck for your FYE. Bye bye.